Hey, so we're close to Islandbrook Park, we're close to Crown Pizza, we're right off of Middlebrook Avenue to Canterbury, but here we are at my new listing at 41 White Birch Drive in Trumbull. Great location, close to everything. Like I said, you're close to the schools, the parks, the shopping, and the highways. Really great spot, and it's a magnificent property, as you're gonna see when we go inside. But just one note on this property, this house was built in 1957 by this original family. And it's not very often that I sell a house that has been in the family that long. And it was a really emotional decision for these folks to part with this house, but they're doing it, they're moving on. But as we go around, I'll show you what I'm talking about. Really cool house, hope you enjoy the tour. What I love about this house is the wide open floor plan here, and the fact that a few years back, they put in a really, really nice cherry wood kitchen, beautiful cabinetry, nice bocconcino marble tiled backsplashes, and gorgeous granite countertops. Great granite island as well. Oak floors throughout this house, vaulted ceilings as you're gonna see as well. Great house, awesome kitchen, fully applianced, looks really nice. The way I got this listing was one of my past clients, Tom, told me about his friend who had just lost his brother and they were gonna be selling their home. So I reached out, and that was about 6 months ago. So I've known that they were gonna be selling this house for a while. It was a very emotional decision for these folks because, like I said, this house has been in the family since 1957, and he's like the last one left in the family. What's nice is that open layout. I mean, you got a bow window here, and you've got one in the kitchen as well. It's a lot of natural sunlight in. People love sunlight. When you're sitting here in the living room and mom's in there cooking in the kitchen, you know, it's not like she's away from the family. Everybody's just part of everything. You know, it's great for family gatherings, especially on holidays. Yeah, so up here, you know, we've got 3 full-size bedrooms. Again, oak floors throughout, and they even updated the bathroom. I mean, it's nicely tiled, kind of updated. Great space up here. So what was really cool is I was sitting here with Mark, the owner, and he was telling me, he showed me a picture of his family, and they were all sitting on this couch. It was himself, his mom, his dad, his 2 brothers, aunts and uncles. And he was saying that, you know, he's the only one left out of the entire picture. So I think it was really cool, all the memories that he has about this house. And, you know, listen, man, I mean, tomorrow's not guaranteed for any of us. And just remember that, you know, when you're with your family, make sure you tell the people that you love how much you love them. And also just people that have touched your lives in a positive way and maybe mentored you, make sure you let these people know how much they've meant to you and how they've affected your life in a positive way. Because like I said, tomorrow's not guaranteed for any of us, and that's about it. I love the fact that you've got a 2-car garage right here and you come right into the family room. Great space, good sized room, large picture window overlooking the backyard, which is very private, very tranquil, very wooded, beautiful, but great space. I mean, you also got a half of a bathroom down here as well, laundry, utility room, furnace, great space. When I was out here with Mark and he was showing me the property, I mean, he was actually walking into the woods and looking for trees that he had taken pictures on or had played on when he was like 5 years old, a really small boy. And believe it or not, the trees were still out there. It was amazing. I mean, listen, man, it's time for you guys to make your own memories here. So I was talking to Mark and he was showing me this picture of him playing in his sandbox, him and his buddy. God, he was probably about 5 years old, and he had all these little model airplanes around him in the sandbox. He eventually became a pilot for Delta. He just retired. So listen, thank you so much for coming on this tour of 41 White Birch Drive with me today. Like I said, they've owned it since 1957, and I've listened to some amazing stories, looked at some amazing pictures of the family, and listened to some amazing stories and memories that they have of this house. And remember, the memories go with them. They don't stay here, they go with them. So if you want any more information about this house, or if you want a private tour, give me a call or shoot me a text at 203-209-2529, or email me at j@jcannone.com. Hey, listen, let's go. It's time to make your memories here.